Good morning, everybody. Actually, I'm not even sure if it's morning, to be honest. We had some family friends over this morning, and he is an architect, which was super useful to know his opinion on like the damp situation. I'm just eating breakfast. I feel like I've not really been able to eat properly. All we've had is like takeaways because we had roosters last night, Chinese the night before, so maybe at some point I need to go to Aldi. We need to go to B&Q to get a couple of bits. My dad is leaving today. He'll probably have to leave after lunch. But look at these. I've got my first set of flowers. My house, I need to take them out of the thing actually. They brought these over. Look how beautiful. And then our job is going to be to put this washing machine in there. This is just the one that I had in my old flat. I'm going to get a new one, but I just need one for now. And then I need to actually have a look at some point at getting a dishwasher for this space, but I mean, it's still a mess. Still a work in progress. Just come into Carpet Barn. Oh my goodness me. So many carpets and beds. How much are these beds then?
Very cheap.
£299. So cheap. Place is literally never ending. Oh, we've got flooring as well, look at that. How did I get them in here? See, I just love this style. 92, that's crazy. Actually, this is the carpet that I need. Or maybe it's like this, like £485 for the most disgusting patterned carpet. Oh wow. How about this one? I love this. Grass carpet, anybody? B&Q. Ooh. Plants. I need something that's like really pretty and flowery. I used to love those when I was younger. Yeah, magnolias I like. Okay, so we've got 3 plants. I've got my little hanging basket, cherry blossom, magnolia. Oh, do I get a rhubarb as well for the lols? And I'm gonna actually have to bake like a rhubarb crumble. Yeah, go for it.
Exciting thing for me about a house.
What, the plant? Yeah, if I hadn't have come with you, if I'd have come with Mum, I wouldn't have come away with plants. Maybe one. We've come away, no, she's not. Come away with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. And I don't know how we're gonna fit them in my tiny little car. Next stop of the day, Home Bargains. Came in here to get some pet food, ended up getting a laundry thing, some bleach, an umbrella, and we'll probably end up buying like 10 candles and ornaments in here. We are on our first proper walk since being in the new house. It's difficult because I haven't really had time to take Lola out for like a long walk. Obviously we've got the garden, I've been able to take her down the road. We're just going back to where I usually used to walk her, except I've actually walked to there, if that makes sense. I used to drive there. So I'm just seeing how far it is, to be honest. It's not that bad. It's a lovely time of the day to be walking, so it's like 5 o'clock, so the sun is kind of setting. The sky is beautiful. Hi baby. Hi, are you getting really muddy? Are you? Just got back from the walk and I don't think I showed you guys my plants earlier. So, you know, I bought a rhubarb. This plant, the cherry one, felt lonely by itself. So I felt the need for some greenery. I mean, I don't think it's going to stay there, but I think it's pretty funny to have a rhubarb by your front door anyway. Got my little hanging basket as well, which I think looks so cute. And then over there is my magnolia, looking very lonely and bare at the moment, so we'll have to keep updated on that one. This is actually my favourite pasta ever from Frankie and Benny's. It's so good. Expensive, but I flipping love prawns, and I really felt like a chocolate milkshake, so we have a chocolate milkshake. I'm glad I was able to find something to put my TV on, and I just absolutely love having this fire here. anyway, this one just runs in my door, bottle of Prosecco. She's like, oh my god, I'm gonna wet myself, I didn't go on the tray.
Oh god. Hi.
Hi, I'll pour you your Prosecco.
Oh, that's better.
Tomorrow I definitely need to have the longest bath or shower because oh no, I haven't turned the downstairs light off. My hair is an actual joke. I need to actually experience. Oh wow, okay, that's dark. How am I gonna get up the stairs? I need to actually experience this shower like properly and do like a full-on exfoliation, but I think because tomorrow's Sunday, we'll do self-care Sundays. I'm gonna give myself the task of sorting out my kitchen and also my spare bedroom. Let's turn a light on. This still hasn't sunk in. This is my house, you guys. It's actually crazy. Oh hey! My porridge exploded. Okay, so today's task is to tackle this. I've literally got one side which is pretty clear aside from the mess that my porridge made. I'm gonna just try and put away as much stuff in the cupboards and organize the cupboards as well. At least one room in the house is clean. Over here is still pretty much the same, but I feel so much better. Like I've literally just organized this whole kitchen. So let's give you a quick little tour in case you're interested. So this is the fridge and freezer. I didn't actually get into organizing the inside of the fridge. I need to do a massive food shop tomorrow. These two cupboards down here are actually empty because I kind of didn't realize how much cupboard space I had here. So I need to figure what I'm going to put in there. These drawers are just full of rubbish at the moment. I need to figure those. I've just put my fruit bowl, chopping boards, my grater here. And then in here I've got like rice and pasta. Still got another shelf empty even up there. And then this is going to be my meds cabinet. The daffodils have blossomed today. Is it called blossom? Open? Yeah, they've opened today. I think I'm just going to have to permanently have flowers in a vase there. Got my little aloe vera on the wall. I've done all the washing up because that needed doing. I cannot wait to get a dishwasher. Over here we've just got some little bits. This is one of the plants that I bought from B&Q yesterday, which I didn't show you. And then over here we've got like pots and pans underneath there, and then this cupboard is bits and bobs of rubbish. Like this is my cleaning overflow up there, and then I've just got like my washing stuff in there. Various cups and stuff, haven't really sorted that one out. Glasses and mugs. And then down here I've got a whole, I'm so excited about this, I've got a whole cupboard for bags, like shopping bags, etc. And then like bits and bobs, aprons, which I never actually wear. This drawer is a mess again. I need to sort this out. I guess some of this could probably go over there. And then these two cupboards, like I always forget that these are actual cupboards because it kind of looks like a cooker. I'm not really sure about this, but we've got plates and pots and stuff. I got this in TK Maxx. Well, actually my mum bought it for me for a housewarming present in TK Maxx when we were in Ireland. I absolutely love it. I love this like gold thing on the top, so I'm gonna have to make some kind of casserole or something in that. And then we got a matching dish, so I think probably lasagna in there. Got some more dishes at the back there. I had a massive sort out through my tubs before I moved, so yeah, I know that all of those have lids. And then just my plates and bowls, some random stuff over in the corner. Kettle, toaster, knives and forks. I had to buy a new one of these because my old one didn't fit, but this one from TK Maxx fits really well. In here, I like this little cupboard because I've got a whole thing for Lola. So all her food and like her lead and stuff, and then bin bags, batteries, found loads of batteries actually. Up here we have, again, like I thought I had so many more sauces and stuff, but I did actually use up a lot of stuff before I moved. So this is just like sauce, some jars, and then tins at the top. And then this one we have tea. Now one of my tea boxes has gone missing because I have literally a whole, like, so much more tea somewhere in the house. Then this end cupboard is my favourite because it's massive. I've put all of my like breakfasty bits here, so they're really easy to get to. Up here we have baking stuff, so I just put them in a tray. Got my blender. This is a shelf full of rubbish. Yeah, we'll just skip past that. And then at the bottom here we have alcohol slash squash over there, vinegar, because these are too tall to fit in my cupboard. This is my spices, again that's empty. This is my favourite box, although it doesn't look very appetizing right now. All the good snacks are on the bottom. There we go. It's my snack box. And I think that is it. Right, I'm gonna go and see if I can find my eyelash remover because literally like half of my eyelashes have fallen out and I just want to take them off. I'm just gonna have a little break for a while. Okay, this is the last takeaway of the, well, long weekend. I've done Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I've given myself this to reward myself for all the work I've done today because I have a very clean kitchen. I've whittled down some stuff in here. I've put the bins out. I've put a wash on. I need to hang that up in a second. I've sorted out, I know it doesn't really look like it, but I have sorted out a bit in here and my second bedroom as well. I've taken Lola out for a walk. I've moved all of the stuff in this hallway. So, not that I have to justify this, but I've ordered an Indian tonight. Okay, so this evening's progress. The lounge is looking very, very clear. I've essentially moved pretty much everything up to the second bedroom, but I've just shoved everything over here to get it out the way, and I've tidied up this whole lounge area, given my sofa a good hoover. I'd need to hoover the mat and the carpet in here as well. Got my washing drying as well, which will go. I've cleared out the bathroom as well, cleared the landing just because there was stuff everywhere. I need to get a cabinet up on the wall really. Don't really like having this random mirror there. But anyway, I've done a massive sort out in here. It doesn't, oh, wrong light. Doesn't really look like it, but I've cleared this whole space in the middle, and then I've just shoved a load of stuff in my one and only wardrobe, which just has my coats in it at the moment. And then I sorted out this little chest of drawers thing. And that is pretty much it. My bedroom's still a state. That's gonna maybe be a job for tomorrow. Yeah, this is what I've always wanted to do in a house, is just close the clutter in the door. Oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. I didn't even have a time to pamper, and I feel pretty disgusting right now because my skin is really flaring up, and obviously like my eyelashes, well, they've mainly come off with the eyelash removing serum. I feel like I've neglected my personal experience appearance over the past few days and just focus on the house. So at some point I really want to do my nails and do like a face mask and stuff. But yeah, I've got 3 friends coming over tomorrow, all at different times, so that's fun. I like it because it gives me an excuse to invite people around, and also the house is messy and it's allowed to be. It's just today I felt so happy being in this house that is mine. I will see you tomorrow for another moving vlog. Good night.